A vehicle was spotted parked in a handicap space in the 500 block of Clematis Street. The driver was asleep behind the wheel with the keys still in the ignition. A concerned witness reported the situation to the police. Shortly after, the witness called the police again, informing that the driver had woken up and was leaving. However, the witness later called back to report that the female driver had struck a fire hydrant.
How's it going?
Something wrong with her. She's sleeping behind the wheel. She hit the fire hydrant and able to drive.
How are you? You okay? You have your license with you?
I was out with my friend and we came out to get out here and...
Okay, where were you at? Just waiting right here? Just parked right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you okay?
I'm good, I'm just a little bit tired, yeah.
A little tired? Alright. See, something's wrong with your leg.
Yeah, I need surgery.
Are you taking any medication for it or anything? No? Alright. There's a little bit of damage from the impact from the fire hydrant. It's up to you if you want to make a full crash report. But
I'm not, but I'm good. I didn't crash. It's fine, whatever. It's fine.
Alright, ma'am, I'm going to have you sign right here.
You're lucky you're pretty. You're lucky you're pretty.
As of right now, no one's moving the vehicle. So.
No, she's not. No.
We'll do one more. Just saying you don't want
I'm so sorry this happened.
It's alright. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just back it up a little bit back into the handicap spot. So that way it's off the hydrant.
That's fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Better day. Are you okay, bro? You're okay?
I'm good. I'm very good.
Like I told him, the only thing I'm going to do is just, I'm going to move my car a little bit and back it into the handicap.
If that's what you want.
I'll move it for you, that's fine. It's only a couple feet.
I'm very capable, it's fine. If you want me to push it back,
I'll move it back, it's fine.
No, it's fine.
It's a couple feet.
I wish you would at least told me or at least
I'm good. I'm good.
Thank
you.
I know you're good, but I would have at least figured
You're good? You're good?
I didn't know they were going to do all this. I promise you I didn't.
Just a little dent right there.
Okay.
Like I said before, you're not driving this anywhere. Okay? You're not driving. You need to get an Uber, you need to get someone else to drive. So even though they checked your vitals out, that's one thing, but you and him, I can smell alcohol coming from the breath. So I'm not I'm not having you guys drive away.
That's cool.
Okay?
Just because you're pretty?
It doesn't have nothing to do with that.
That don't
It has
matter.
nothing to do with, come on, don't do that. Don't do that.
Are you kidding me?
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Look at that.
Hello, officer.
Hello.
It's not. That's serious.
I'm not being funny.
I know, but that's not okay. That's a big deal. It's not.
It's been a while since I've done one of these.
It's a big. It's a
I'm
serious
not.
She's running crack report.
You should have. First of all, you should have been telling me that you were be like, what? Like, are you serious right now? You're lucky I'm here, to be honest. Cause your mom would have been whooped your ass. Yeah, she would.
I'm a grown woman. I don't need.
She would have.
I don't need her to.
That don't matter.
Hey, sir, can you do me a favor? Can you step over there for a second, please, ma'am? Come over here.
Yes, sir.
What's going on? Hi, what happened?
I don't know. They're telling me that I'm not allowed to drive my car, so I'm respecting that. If that's what he wants, that's fine.
Okay.
I'm with my friend here, but
What happened as far as this?
as far as what? I mean, I parked here, O'Shea's, and that's it. I mean,
You be parked into a fire hydrant?
not specifically into fire hydrant, no.
Then how did that happen?
I was close, yeah.
You're what?
I was close to the fire hydrant, yeah.
You were very close to the fire hydrant.
Yeah, I know. I'm not,
So you were here to go to O'Shea's, or you went to O'Shea's?
yeah, I came to O'Shea's.
You came to O'Shea's.
Yeah.
What'd you do in O'Shea's?
I was inside, we ate breakfast, we had a couple things to eat and drink.
And drink? How much do you drink?
I like a shot.
Just one or shot or two?
Yeah, I did.
What's your ID, please?
Of course.
Give me a second. Jersey. So good?
Yeah, she's good.
You were working all year. Why is your bracelet? Why is your bracelet?
I've had issues with my knee surgery. I've had to.
When did you have surgery?
Huh?
When did you have surgery?
It was probably like 2000 something. Is there a problem?
Are you your birth? Or your first call you want to do is go for the drug?
For what?
For you what?
For what?
Ma'am, I need you to essentially
Alcohol intoxication.
That's
Evaluations.
okay. I'm sorry. What is the problem?
You're drinking and driving. And
I didn't drink and drive. Come on,
You
sir.
said you were drinking inside of there.
I did when I got here, sir. When I
And
got
then
here.
you got in your car,
Yes.
and then you drove into a fire hydrant.
I parked near a fire hydrant. Yes.
She was parked.
You
She
consent
wasn't
to,
driving.
you consent to evaluations to see how intoxicated you are. Roadside evaluations.
Say again?
Roadside evaluations.
What does that entail?
That's like a walk and turn, put your finger against your nose, stuff like that.
So did you like do like the test? Like
That's fine.
It's fine. I don't know.
because like,
What do you want me to do?
I can smell alcohol coming from your breath.
You can?
well that's that kind of thing, but like as far as I'm concerned, like
If
I
you
don't know if like
listen,
you're trying to like do like she's
I know what
really, like,
I know what that entails. I just want to understand because for me, the only issue is with my knee. But I'm okay with it. If you want me to do like whatever, like a balance thing, that's fine.
Stand over there, please.
she's handing
Do me a favor, stand over there, please.
yeah, but like I just want
No,
like,
it's okay. Baba, it's fine.
Sit over there,
It's fine. Baba, it's fine.
I'm worried.
Baba, please. It's fine.
Do me a favor, just look at it. Do not move your head at all, okay?
Let me know because I'll call Victoria. I'll call like.
I do see that you've got a wrist injury.
It's fine. I'm okay with doing the other whatever.
Walk and turn.
What do you want me to do? Go like,
Do like what?
I don't know. You tell me. It's your
Okay,
test.
let's just spin a wall step down. Listen, give me a second.
It's fine.
It's been way too long, so. I know. Because I'll be honest, I'm not that great.
Sir.
Are you arresting her?
Sir.
For what?
For DUI.
For DUI?
What?
Really?
Sir, I can't even do the test. You're not gonna let me do the test, really?
I'm gonna do is.
She's handicapped. She's
Can I do the
handicapped.
test?
She's handicapped.
Can I do
Really?
the test?
She's handicapped. She's handicapped.
Why do I have to wait
She has
to
a
do that
handicap
test? Why
sticker.
can't I do it here?
Because I don't have one of those here.
Why can't I do it here? Officer,
I know you're doing your job.
Does she have shoes?
I have
She
shoes
did
in my
Go grab her
car.
shoes for her, alright?
I don't know where they
Officer, really?
Yeah.
Why can't you just let me do the test?
Okay, watch out. Because like I said, I'm not a great on
Well,
someone.
that
I'm
doesn't-
going to take you out to the sheriff's office. Or you have a
No,
chance
okay,
to
well
pay
then
the
why
back.
can't you have the sheriff come
So watch out.
here?
The sheriff can't come here. I've got to go there.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
Is it really that like necessary?
It is. It's extremely necessary. Yeah.
Well, if it is like that's I just want to understand like why is she being detained?
For DUI.
Yeah, but like
That's an arrestable offense.
Officer,
arrested for what?
DUI.
For what?
DUI.
officer.
A DUI?
Yes, sir. What are we going to do with your car? Can he take your car? Is it drivable? It's drivable, right? Did you come with her?
I didn't drive with her.
You didn't drive with her? All right.
Sir,
We don't need to tow it
Sir.
then. What's that? Do we have someone come pick up your car here?
no, wait, hold on.
Do we have someone come pick up your car? If not, we don't have to have it towed
Whoa,
probably.
can we please take it one step at a time, please?
That's the first step.
Okay.
Other
Alright.
than, all right, well, first step is being arrested. Second step
No,
is what
that
we're
was
going to do.
that was your step because you said you wasn't able to do this test,
All right, so what are we going to
and
do
I don't
as far
understand
as...
that because
What are we
I'm
going
like,
to do?
you're an officer. Come on,
Show the car. All right.
officer, please. No, I'm not trying to be.
No, I know, but I just got to try to figure out what to do with your car. We can't just leave it here.
No,
I just want
What's
you,
that?
Back there with her?
leave it
Oh,
here.
yeah, you put those back with her.
Can I ask you? I want you.
Well, it's parked in a disabled...
Listen, at the end of the day, I know you're doing your job. I know you're doing your job, and like, I honestly, at the end of the day, but I want you, like, you know what I mean? she's handicapped. That's
I know.
fine.
I saw her away. That's why I don't feel safe
hope-
really giving her
like, I hope
the other stuff.
Like, to be a good person.
I am.
Like, is there anything? Is there anything
I'm
that
already in the backseat. I can't do anything.
like?
Like I'm legitimately.
Like
I've
this
never had
this like it's hard. Like it doesn't look good. It really doesn't look.
I know it doesn't.
I know you're gonna take me there, but please.
Well, Charlie too. I'm going to have a 10-15 for DUI. 51 of the bat.
Well, okay, so like, it's fine. It's fine. It's gonna be okay.
All right.
It's gonna be okay.
All right. My partner's going to have to roll up your window. What are we going to do with your car?
That's what we're gonna figure it out.
Well, no. Hey, all right, stop. Hang on. Here's the problem. You're going to go to jail. What are we doing with your car? Perfect. All right. Watch out.
What are you gonna do with her car?
We're going to have to tow it. Hey, the sheriff's office.
I'm sorry. Did I offend you in any way?
No. You committed a criminal offense, and I've got to take action on that.
I legitimately can't hear you.
No, I'm sure. You committed a criminal offense, and I've got to take action on that.
A criminal offense for how? You didn't. Wait, first of all, sir, you didn't breathalyze me. Right?
I don't do that out there.
Okay, no, that's fine. You didn't breathalyze me. You didn't even do the test there. How are you gonna say it's a criminal offense? Because I tapped a fire hydrant?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, come on. And then you're gonna, like, handcuff me like that. Like, it's honestly insane. Like, I get that you have me back here, but I'm not able to do anything.
I know.
You already saw me. Look, I get it. That's your job. I get it. I'm not trying to like, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. I'm sorry.